Welcome to your Breach Secure Now training portal. This quick tour will show you how to use the platform to build useful skills, stay up to date with technology, and work more securely without taking up your whole day. The Employee Secure Score, ESS, gives you a simple way to track your training progress and awareness. Check the leaderboard to see how your progress compares to others. It's a great way to stay motivated and consistent. The Training tab is where you'll find short, focused courses that help you work more confidently and efficiently. Cybersecurity training helps you spot and avoid real threats like phishing emails or social engineering. From foundational concepts to advanced techniques, the AI Awareness Training Suite teaches you how to use tools like ChatGPT and Copilot to work smarter, faster, and achieve better results. Microsoft 365 training gives you practical tips for using Outlook, Excel, Teams, and more, with both productivity and security in mind. You'll also earn certificates for completed courses, which you can use to show your growth on LinkedIn or add to your resume. Each week, a new micro training is released, an engaging 2 to 3 minute video that turns cyber and AI concepts into clear, instantly useful takeaways. Be sure to watch these weekly to improve your ESS. Your newsfeed serves as a discussion board on all the latest tech topics. Look out for weekly nanos, fast, under 1 minute videos with tips on tools you already use. From writing better AI prompts to shortcut features in Microsoft apps, these help you work faster and smarter. That's your BSN training portal, built to make staying informed and developing skills part of your routine, not a burden. Explore the tools, build habits that stick, and start seeing the impact in how you work every day.